Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to apply Povidone Iodine Ointment. First, gather your supplies: the Povidone Iodine Ointment, sterile gauze, and clean gloves. Next, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds to prevent infection. Then, gently clean the wound area with mild soap and water, ensuring it is completely dry and free of any debris before proceeding with the application. Now, let's apply the ointment. First, put on your clean, disposable gloves to maintain a sterile environment. Squeeze a small, pea-sized amount of Povidone Iodine Ointment onto a fresh, sterile gauze pad. Gently apply a thin, even layer of the ointment directly to the wound. Make sure to cover the entire affected area, including the edges, to ensure complete protection. After applying the ointment, it's time to cover the wound. Take a fresh, sterile gauze pad and carefully place it over the treated area. Secure the gauze firmly in place using medical tape or an appropriate bandage. Ensure the dressing is snug enough to stay put, but not so tight that it restricts blood flow or causes discomfort. Remember to change the dressing as often as your healthcare professional advises. Finally, let's talk about post-application care. Properly dispose of all used gloves, gauze, and any other materials to maintain hygiene. Wash your hands thoroughly once more with soap and water after you've finished handling the wound. Keep a close eye on the wound for any signs of infection, such as increased redness, swelling, or pus. If you notice any adverse reactions or the wound worsens, please consult a doctor immediately.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.